great for the tools, but what the hell. Oh, no idea what's in here. Need to watch it cut myself. Hello again, and in this video we've got another toolbox here that we're going to get rid of some more junk out of, sort out what we're going to keep of the tools and sort out what's mess. This is what came out of the first toolbox, so let's see what's in this one here as well. You can see it's not well organized, it's just full of junk. I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with that, but let's get this tipped out and get some of it sorted. Just give you guys a closer look here at some of the stuff that's in this, and you know, look, it's a real mixture of stuff. So have a look, see if you can see anything worth keeping. A few things here for sure, but a real mixture of stuff, and definitely potential to get a lot of junk out of the way into the bin. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to gather up some of these larger tools. I'm going to set them in a pile and taking a look at the condition of some of them. They look a wee bit rusty, so you know, in another video we're going to look and see how we're going to clean these up a bit and protect them then on the long term to prevent them rusting up. So some of these are I'm going to set in a corner here. Others, like screwdrivers, I'm going to sort into a pile, and if we have too many duplicates of the same sort of screwdriver, we'll maybe just bin some of them. But screwdrivers, always something that seems to never be able to put your hand to at times. This nozzle, that's a nozzle off an inflator for an airbed, so there could be an airbed here somewhere, so we'll hold on to it in the meantime in case we need this. I don't need it. This is a strange looking tool, but this is for cutting blinds. So you get some of those blinds, louver blinds, and you have to cut them to size. That's what this tool's for, so it's pretty specific. I can't see me needing to use that ever again. Solder gun, yeah, still getting some good suck out of that. I had that from working in electronics in Daewoo when we were repairing VHS video recorders, so it's a useful tool for anybody working solder. Just make an error, just melt the solder and suck it up. We'll hold on to that. A plectrum for a guitar. I'll hold on to that just in case. Another bracket. Another adjustable wrench. Yeah, so another of these, it's a bit bigger than the other one we had that was set down here. But this one actually, it actually isn't working at the minute, so that's definitely going on the pile of tools to get back into shape and look at. A small spirit level, and that's a magnetic base on it, so I'll definitely keep that. That'll be handy. Loads of wee tiny nuts. I don't need these mixed nuts. And this is off the front of the drill. Not 100% sure. I think it holds. That's what it's for. I remember now. It holds. I think it goes on the front of the electric screwdriver, and it holds the screw while you put the screw in. So I'm going to keep that there. That should actually fit on the front of here somewhere, if I can remember anything, which I don't think I can. Yeah, it's going to go this way around. Right, what is that? Yeah, that fits there. Okay. Oh, power! Did you hear that? Oh, that's so powerful. Okay, so that's gonna fit the screw on the head. It holds the screw, and if they were powering this, you'd be screwing stuff on one hand. Okay. Large adapter. Now this here is actually a test adapter. So back in the day when you bought a piece of equipment and there was no socket on it, and you just did the bare wires, this here is a very handy tool just for, you put the bare wires in here, you push the button down, put the wire in, release the button, and that holds the wire in. So I'll hold on to this because you don't come past these or come across these too often. But if I ever get a piece of equipment that doesn't have the plug on it, that's a very quick way just to put a plug on something just to test it out. This is all right, and we have a small Smithson of Bond Street tape measure. Look at it, oh, isn't it cute? And what length does it go to? Yeah, 2 meters. A wee dinky 2 meter tape measure. Excellent, in a leather bound Bond Street case. Fantastic. Everything else is going to go in the bin. Let's get the brush out. Oh, another key. Pretty sure that's it. Yeah. Let's just get rid of all this stuff. Okay. So spread out what we have here a bit more. On those. So that's it. Maybe do some of that in the next time, cleaning up those tools. I am gonna also, in one of the next videos, we're going to take these toolboxes and clean them out. I'm not putting anything back into this. You look at the state of it, it's all dirty and dusty. So I'm not going to do that. We'll do that in the next video. So if you have any other suggestions on anything there that should be just thrown in the bin and completely useless, or something you saw me throw in the bin that I think I should have kept, well, let me know. Okay, but thanks for watching the video, and like it if you liked it, or leave a comment if you think it could be improved in some way, which I'm sure wouldn't be hard. Right, cheerio.